In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Calendar keyboard shortcuts in Google Calendar. Keyboard shortcuts are a simple way to move around your calendar much faster, but they only work if they're turned on. So in this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find the setting and how to enable it, step by step. First, open Google Calendar in your web browser and make sure you're signed into the account you want to use. At the top right corner of the calendar, look for the small gear-shaped icon. This is the main settings menu for Google Calendar. Move your mouse to that gear icon and click it. A drop-down menu will appear beneath it. From this drop-down, you'll see an option labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on Settings. This will take you away from the main calendar view and into the full settings page, where you can customize how your calendar behaves. On the left side of the settings page, you'll see a column with different sections. Toward the top of that column, look for the section called General. If it isn't already selected, click on General to expand and view its options. This is where Google groups a lot of the basic preferences, including the one we need for keyboard shortcuts. Once you're in the General section, scroll through the list until you find the option labeled Keyboard Shortcuts. Click on Keyboard Shortcuts in the left column so that its settings appear on the right side of the screen. This will bring up the specific controls that relate to using your keyboard in Google Calendar. On the right, you'll see a setting called Enable Keyboard Shortcuts. Next to it, there will be a checkbox or toggle. Click on this option to turn it on. When it's enabled, Google Calendar will start responding to a variety of handy keyboard commands, like jumping between day, week, and month views, or quickly creating new events. After you've enabled the checkbox, there's nothing else you need to save. Google Calendar updates this preference automatically. You can now return to your calendar using the navigation links or by clicking the calendar logo at the top left. From here, you're ready to start using keyboard shortcuts to move through your schedule more efficiently. If you ever want to turn them off, just come back to the same keyboard shortcut setting and uncheck the